Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ashley, and guess what day today is? Today is boxycharm unboxing day, and I am so excited about this box because everything in this box is on my face, and that rarely happens. So let's get into this video so that I can show everybody the wonderful products that I have on my beautiful face. So the first product that we have is a luminizer primer from Dr. Brand, and is a this pores no more, and it retails for $38. And this tube is pretty big and it will last you a really long time. What I did was I washed my face, I patted it dry, then I put this on, and then I put my foundation and my concealer over it. And before I put this on, my face was literally peeling off because it was so dry. But after I put this on, like, it was like my instant solution. The next item that we have in the box is a universal eyebrow pencil from It's Cosmetics. It's called Brow Power, and this is what it looks like. And this pencil is really good. It's like a chocolate, I would say like a chocolate. Well, look, it has a little brush in the end, and then here is the actual color. It's like a chocolate brown, I would say. The next item that I was really excited about was this palette from Crown Pro, and it's called Glam Metals. And this is what it looks like on the outside, and look how cute. It has like this little guitar with wings on it. It's a mirror, and these are the colors. They're so pretty. I used these colors right here to do my eyes. I used this one, I used the black one, and I used this one right here at the bottom, and a little bit of this. And I'm just gonna go closer so you guys can see how pretty it came out. The next item that I was excited also about was this palette from Pure, and it is a bronzer, a highlighter, and blush. And yes, I used it, and it looks really nice. The highlighter is really nice. I used it on my brow bone, and I did use it in my inner corner. Look how pretty and shiny. So yeah, so this retails for $34. Not bad at all. Let me just show you guys again. Alright guys, so the last item that we have in the box is a matte lip paint from Galactic, and it retails for $23. This is the color that I have on my lips, and this is what it looks like in the bottle. Close. Yeah, I'd say it's close to the same color that's in the bottle, and it is not drying at all. It is moisturizing. So yeah guys, everything in the box had a grand total retail value of $144, which is pretty darn good for $22. So if you guys are into makeup and would like to learn, you know, new products, or, you know, just stack up on the makeup, I really recommend you guys to subscribe. And if you liked my video and you would like to see more boxycharm unboxing videos, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, you know, give me a comment down below what you guys would like me to do next. But if you are just here for the boxycharm, stay tuned. I will be doing a February's box, and I wonder what they're going to have. I hope that it's something nice and red for Valentine's Day, but we'll see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next month. Bye!